The environment and nature are full of amazing things, and many plants are just waiting for us to discover them, and take the benefits from them. Just like the weed Peperomia pellucida, or pepper elder, which is also called the shining bush plant. Have you ever seen this weed? This is a small herb with a watery body and heart-shaped leaves. It is a weed that often grows in our gardens, growing in forests, on the bases of cliffs, on flooded water courses, and in woodlands. We don't pay attention to it, because all we know is that it's just another type of grass, and normally we pull these weeds and throw them in our trash can. But it's not just a weed. These tiny weeds are edible, either raw or cooked. The study has concluded that the weeds may be a source of protein, minerals, energy, and other micronutrients, after conducting many investigations and research. This is because shiny bush has a lot of calories, carbohydrates, and other micronutrients. It can be picked, cleaned, and consumed as a fresh salad. The shiny bush live abundantly in the meadow, even if it is not cared for. Although it is a wild plant, some people deliberately grow it as an ornamental plant. Because it has shiny, heart-shaped leaves that are really a favorite of plant lovers. What parts of the plant are used as medicine, and how are they used? Some parts of the plant can be used as medicine, which are: the leaf and stem of Peperomia pellucida are commonly used in medicine. It is often boiled together, and given to the sick to drink like a tea. Peperomia pellucida, or PANSIT PANSITAN, has been used in the Philippines for a very long time as a traditional medicine, long before the arrival of the Spaniards. Here are some of the known health benefits of this weeds. In a test using rats, the extract of Peperomia pellucida was injected into the body of the rats, and their uric acid was observed. This study shows that those who were given the weeds had a decrease in blood uric acid, compared to those who were given a synthetic drug. This means that Peperomia pellucida can be used as an alternative to synthetic drugs, against the increase of uric acid in the blood. As we discussed, these weeds are safe to use. However, it should be done in the right way. It would still be better to consult a specialist to give you a competent remedy for your urinary tract infection. And if you really like the use of these weeds, you can suggest them to your doctor. I'm sure he'll approve of it, and what's even better, you'll be taught the proper usage of it. According to another study and research conducted, Peperomia pellucida is a medicine for fever, cough, cold, headache, and arthritis. In studies on rats, the leaves and stems of the weeds show that it is an effective medicine for inflammation and pain. In another study conducted, the extract of this medicinal plant proved to be effective in fighting fever, which can be compared to the effectiveness of aspirin. It is effective also against sore joints due to rheumatism. Eating the leaves and branches of Peperomia pellucida itself like a vegetable is an effective way to get rid of the condition felt related to rheumatism. So what are you waiting? Go out and taste this healthy weeds.
We hope you found the information in this video useful. I hope all of us are in good health. As always, this video is for educational purposes only. Please consult your doctor before making any decisions. Also, please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe and like button. It really helps support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you.